Hi, we're back in the kitchen with Judd, cooking with Judd one more time because I thawed the meat this time, and this is a better shaped piece for what I want to do. So again, I'm going to try the searing thing, but with a thawed piece of meat, which should work a lot better. So there we go. Okay, here's our beautiful hunk of meat. Had it in the refrigerator for 24 hours, a little more. Had it on the counter for a little bit more tonight. So it's thoroughly defrosted, kind of wet. All right. Oh, look at that. Okay, boom. And we're going to start by doing the bottom. We're going to do that for a minute. Okay, there we go. Doing the pan. Meanwhile, the oven is heating to 350, and you see we got a little fat on top of this, so I'm going to leave that untouched. I am going to sear both flat sides on it. Alright, there's a minute. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're getting seared, baby. Okay. Oh, that was a minute. I want more. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I'm going to give it another minute. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. Alright, that was a longer minute. Alright, now, let's see, we're going to give another spray there. Okay, and go this side. Oh yeah, see, that looks much better. Alright, there we go. Okay. Boom. Yep, there we go. Now I want to do that bottom one more minute. Alright. There we go. The bottom it only had a minute, so I want to give it another minute. Okay, everything's looking good. So now we transfer it to the pan, which has already been spammed, or pammed. Okay, and we're going to stick that in the oven. See you in 35 minutes. Okay, here we go. All done. Looking good. Looking good. Pair that up with a little bit of applesauce after it sets up for about 10 minutes. Oh my God. Even juicier. I declare myself the Iron Chef of pork loin. Happy day to you.